Welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to show you how to do side skirts on a Lamborghini Huracan. This will work the same on the LP-580, on the LP-610 and on the Performante. So they're the same fit, but obviously on the Performante our side skirts are forged carbon. So this is how they look. You would have seen this design previously on our orange Lamborghini Performante. So we'll have to take out some of the original bolts and then replace them with slightly longer ones, but this is kind of how it will look when it's fitted. So it will go nicely with the splitter and the diffuser with how aggressive it is, with this line following the body line there, and then with the big flicks that we've got on the diffuser. So we'll get started by taking out the original bolts, and then we'll show you how to get these fitted. Okay, so I've used 5 longer bolts where I've replaced the original ones. So the side skirt is sitting in place nicely. And then we have a further 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more holes where we are going to rivet it. So then, because you see how far away the bolts are from the end of it, we're going to put more rivets in here so then it's nice and snug, so it doesn't come off or move or break if you catch it or anything like that. So with the side skirts, it was a really easy fit. They use 5 of the original mounting points, but we provide you with longer M6 bolts to be able to fit them into place. And then we also put 5 rivets in because the side skirts are really wide, so the bolts are right on the end. So we want it to be more secure, sort of closer to the edge, and that's why we put the rivets in. And that is the finished product. They are the exact same design that we've got on our Huracan LP-610 Performante, and that's how they look in normal carbon versus the forged on the Performante. So don't forget, if you want to see more fitting videos for the Huracan LP-610 and for the Huracan Performante, please subscribe to our channel, and we've got all of those videos on our channel. We will also be doing a spoiler on one of these cars because this one didn't opt for the spoiler, so we'll do one very soon, and we'll show you how to fit that on as well.